Odin, we can if it would make you feel better, bud.
We're doing the little boy, y'all. Oh!
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Without pausing it, there's something
That wasn't 7.
I want.
Maybe it was. Okay.
So there's something I wanted to say real quick. Thank y'all for all the support y'all are doing for me. This is really exciting. And all we wanted to do today was do some fireworks. And it's really nice doing this, especially with y'all and my family. These fireworks are amazing. Hopefully, we could do more next year.
Or this
Bye!
New Year.